Welcome to Woldside Classic and Sports Car. Today we're revisiting a vehicle. This Ferrari 348 TS was one we started restoring some months ago, and this is the second part of a video. The video previous to this is the vehicle pre-restoration. Okay, 1992 car, red with creme, best combination obviously, and the car's done 30,000 miles from new. We've had the engine out of the vehicle, it's gone away for the cam bolts and to be serviced. The engine subframe has been repaired, and also everything's been detailed while it's away. All the panels have been off this car, and it's had a full restoration in our workshops. Okay, the detail of the car. I'm sure you'll agree it's very nice. As we walk around the car, we've got low sun today, so it's quite awkward. It's got brand new Ferrari original equipment wheels on it with brand new wheel bolts and Michelin Pilot Sport tyres. We've had all the suspension off the vehicle, rubber bushings have been replaced and some of the suspension components. Targa top, the door cappings, everything's been off the car, been down to the bare minimum. It has been sprayed to the original manufacturer's specification with black bottom rather than painting it red. The car had been sat on grass, so there's quite a bit of corrosion lower down on the vehicle. It's all been taken to pieces, blasted, repaired where necessary. These wheel arches have been redone, and these seams along there, when we've got the engine out, they've been repaired from the inside. New outer sills, over sills. You will recall, if you look back on the video, the tailgate was quite corroded, it's been fully stripped, all the vents have been taken out, it's been resprayed. The rear black grille had a broken vane on it, that's been repaired. So, quite lovely this car. So the fit, the panel gaps are certainly as good, if not better, than when it left the factory. As we look inside the car, the Crema leather has all been reconditioned, all stripped down, seat frames all have been blasted and painted, all the panelling's off the leather and treated, and it's lovely. Bordeaux Red carpets, that's a carpet mat over the undercarpet in great condition, and alloy pedals and everything. Very nice. A new electric mirror switch, original equipment part from Italy. The door cards all as nice as the rest of it. Mileage there 30,043. We've done about 50 miles shakedown on this vehicle for the next owner. All the switch gear and console has been repainted, get rid of the stickiness. It's a lovely detailing inside and out. Okay, coming down the B pillars there, all these vents have all been taken apart from behind, repaired and resprayed. There's quite a bit of corrosion on these edges here, which is all being addressed. So we've put these new over sills on. It was a very original car to start with, which obviously aided our efforts. So there we have it. Beautiful 348. Mechanically perfect and bodily as perfect as can be. Should be okay for the next 30 years. So thanks for looking. If you are interested, keep looking on our Woldside Classics YouTube channel of the cars we're restoring and we're buying and selling, and come over and see us sometime. So telephone number is 01507 606 725. Our website is woldsideclassics.co.uk.